let's start with the biggest heat pump myth, and that is that heat pumps do not work well in cold weather. Now, this could not be further from the truth. In fact, I have a heat pump at my house and I live at 8,000 feet in the Front Range Mountains of Colorado, and it's a Daikin VRV Lighting heat pump, and it has kept up on even the coldest nights of the year. And so far, the coldest night I've experienced is -8 degrees Fahrenheit. But depending on the contractor you call, this is a very common myth that you will hear them say. Now, this all comes down to making sure you are buying the right heat pump for your home and your climate. And the way you do this is by finding a contractor that knows what they're doing and is familiar with the newer models and technologies